All right, what do you girls think?
Yeah, really good.
Okay, eat. Don't talk with your mouth full.
I'm not.
Your sister just did.
Meh.
Meh. Good, not good. Are they better than the restaurant?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I used, this is Kirkland maple syrup, organic, and then I put it in here because this one squeezes. And that's a fun thing to squeeze, isn't it?
Yeah.
Syrup. Clearly, as you put a lot on there. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? Better than the restaurant? Better than the restaurant?
Yeah.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
You're not just saying that because I'm your dad?
Not just saying that.
What about you?
So good.
Because sometimes you overemphasize your dad's abilities.
They're so fluffy.
Fluffy, what else? How else would you describe them? What about the flavor?
Poofy.
Poofy. Is it salty enough? See, they can't even tell I put salt in it. Is it doughy enough and cakey enough?
Yes.
How's it texture?
Good.
All right, there you go, from the mouths of babes. All right, thank you, ladies.